In this video, we will learn about migration. So sometimes the habitat of few animals fails to provide food, water and favorable conditions of temperature or breeding. Now, in order to find these conditions for themselves, these animals move to places far away from their habitats. Now they return to their habitats when the conditions become favorable again. The movement is known for migration. Now they look for the condition as favorable in different places and they migrate. And when the condition in their natural habitat becomes favorable, then they comes back to their natural habitat. So the entire process is known as migration. Now, the process of migration may involve flying, swimming, walking, hopping, burrowing, or slithering. Now, let's discuss the migration of some birds. Now, geese fly in noisy V-shaped groups. Some birds may migrate alone. This is because to help the other birds in the group. And so we can say that this is the migration of geese. Now, white storks from West Asia and Central Europe visit India in the month of September and they return home in the month of April. The spotted sandpipers from Europe and Northern Asia visit India in the month of September and they return home in the month of April. Rosy pastors from Eastern Europe and Central Western Asia visit India in the month of August and they return in the month of April. Now, brown-headed girls from Central Asia and Tibet visit India in the month of September and they return home in the month of April. Now, how the birds find the directions? So, they use the sun, the moon, and the stars for direction, and they seem to have a compass in their brain for using Earth's magnetic field. So, important keywords to remember here, that is the sun, moon, and stars they use for navigation, and they have a compass in their brain using the Earth's magnetic field. Now let's discuss the migration of some fishes. An eel spends its life in the freshwater till adulthood. It then migrates to Sargasso Sea in the North Atlantic to breed. That means till adulthood it remains in fresh water, and to breed it moves to Sargasso Sea. So this is basically eel. Now a salmon is a fish that does just the opposite to that an eel. It lives in the sea till it reaches the adulthood. That is totally opposite in that case of eel. It then migrates to river to lay eggs. The young salmon which has from the eggs then return to the sea. They again go to river in about 2 years when they become adult to lay their eggs. That means from egg to adulthood they remain in sea, then they go to river to lay eggs, and then there will be hatching, and when from hatching to adulthood they live in the sea. So this is basically the migration of salmon. Hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.